Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to join the Adobe Affiliate Program. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type Adobe Affiliate Program and press search. Click on the first result, which should take you to Adobe's official affiliate website. Once the page loads, click the Apply Now button. You'll be taken to the sign up page. Here, enter your personal details, including your email, username, password, company name, address, website URL, phone number, vertical, and last partner type. Once you've filled in all the details, check the checkbox, complete the CAPTCHA verification, and then click the Sign Up button. Next, you'll receive an email to verify your email address. Open the email and click the Verify Email Address button. After your email is verified, click the Login button and sign in using your username and password. You'll then be redirected to your dashboard where you can manage the Adobe Affiliate Program. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.